Podolski. You know what I'm saying? You got Wham, you got Billy in this
man, you know our body, man.
Yeah.
Day one.
Day one.
big as you can get, you dig what I'm saying? On the biggest guard.
Another one.
On Jesus daddy, you know what I'm saying?
Another one.
On God cousin, you feel me? On God's friends. Put it on all his friends too, you dig what I'm saying?
DJ Khaled.
It's me now.
Yeah, been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Trey. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get a swag, I up my red. And I got me a stash, but I don't know when. I need an opinion, it didn't depend. Why they talking my name if I didn't attend? Asking them questions and feel like the fan. Live for the risk, I been on the edge. Came with a tree, she came with a leg. Nigga, you chatting, talking like Ted. We didn't care about what you said.
What it do, YouTube? I'm back with another banger. I linked up with all mans today. You know my body. We had K1 Speed. I had to bring it to him. Yo, I got a special guest in the building. What do you got to say, yo?
Yo, I'm ready, man. I'm ready.
You ready? What place do you think you're gonna come in? Out of all the mans here, what place do you think you're gonna come in this race?
Okay, I know this sounds overconfident, bro, but I'm gonna think one. I'm gonna think first place, bro.
This guy's saying first place. I don't know about that because I'm in the race. You already know I'm gonna be dusting mans, but we gonna see. Got all mans, you know, around. We're sturdy.
What you mean? I'm an 0-1er, man. Come on now.
Nah. This guy said since he's 0-1, he's gonna be coming first in the race. I don't think that's how it works, but we gonna see. You know,
I mean,
I'm ready.
hey, as long as we're having fun, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters. It's like Mario Kart 30.
Bust down, new flash, touchdown in a brand new jag. Every day there's a brand new tag, understand why these niggas upset.
You're good. Yo. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. What do you say? What do you say? What are you saying? You're good. You're good. You're good. Yo.
I'm gonna cry, so like the next thing, dog. Yo, listen up.
Okay.
Yo, listen up. So apparently, next spots for reservation is 10 o'clock.
Bruh.
Yeah. So I'm calling that Mr. Solid one.
Okay, bet. Apparently this shit's crying, so man's gotta hit the arcade. Like, I'm crying, fam. Man drove all the way here for it to cry.
Now I wish I brought my hat. It's a nice picture.
Like, bruh.
Touchdown, new flash, touchdown in a brand new jag. Every day there's a brand new tag.
Me though, we literally here. K1, I'm about to dust all these mans like it's Mario Kart. They don't even got a chance, yo. They don't even got a chance. Our appointment's at 10 p.m. If I check my watch, it's 8. You know, we got 2 hours to kill, but that's just more time for me to prepare to dust these mans. Good, you're good.
No. Yeah, he's a real one still. He's got me still.
Yeah. That's all I can say.
Yeah, it's like body.
I'm about to dust, man.
Remember this clip coming in first.
Whoa. Hold on. Didn't you come last year? Didn't you come last year?
Throw the clip.
I'm telling you, you know those things in Mario Kart when you're driving the wrong way, you get that little, you know, notification? That's what bro was getting. Bro wasn't playing, he was AFK, he wasn't ready, you know what I mean? He literally came dead last. We'll see what he comes this year. Yo, I'm Ruda Galleries. Yo, man said foam hearts. Just remember that.
You know our body, man. Shout out to Speed, man. So
Yeah.
Real support. He's
Day one.
Day one.
ting.
Yeah.
Day one ting, OVO ting, K1 Speed ting.
Yeah.
You get me, bro. You can get me.
Yeah.
UK ting.
Yeah.
He's so close to me ting.
I mean, hey, man.
15 seconds of fame. What you got to say right now? Don't waste it. Don't.
I'm gonna say this though. I'm grateful that I'm here with my boys.
Yeah.
I'm grateful that, you know, my channel's becoming big. I'm just grateful that, you know, like, I just keep working hard and grinding every day to get to where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? But when I become big on YouTube, my goal is not to make like a lot of money, because that's not the whole point.
Yeah.
My whole goal is to like get big, try to like, you know, influence other generations that you can do the same thing too. And you can do something that nobody could ever do. That's why that's why I listen to Ryan.
30.
He's like the words of wisdom, you know what I mean?
Only up from here.
Allah, only up from here.
I'm going to be first.
Nah, you're very quiet. What place are you coming in, man? Right now it's looking like you're last. We got a lot of firsts. There's no way you're coming in first, man.
I'll surprise everybody.
Yeah. All right, we gonna see.
Look at this one.
Key, what is going on here?
What money with?
Oh my.
Understand why these niggas so mad. It's a brand new day and I got a new bag. You won't even in the can.
How does it feel to be paired for last place? You ready to come
I
last?
just said last place. I just got interviewed and I was just talking my shit, standing on the
Nah. Last has a spot with your name on it, you know. At least says Nehemiah, you know, already ready for you. Come on, man.
Bro, I swear, I'm gonna come in first, fam.
Someone you should be talking to is this guy.
Kid. Oh, I already talked to him, man.
You want to do back? Ain't I know what I'm about, I ain't had to prove that. And you had it when I had it, you won't tryna shoot back. Switching lanes in the coupe, finna piss the roof back. 40 cal in my pants, so we finna move back. Tell your bitch, man, your business, you.
So you are free.
Crazy, fam. Free food
I
and
wish I had my phone, but yeah, free everything, fam. Shout out K1. I told you guys a little bit dirty. Have you tried your fries?
I have. It's crazy.
I'm glad I didn't pay for a donkey.
Literally, free food, fam. Romeo, fam. Rome, where you at, yo? What's the score? Are they losing?
They're
Yeah.
losing by 19.
They're winning?
Who's winning?
Girl?
Always fuck.
Wait, are they winning or losing?
Romeo's team?
Mm-hmm. Damn, Romeo, fam.
Bro, they're at 30 by them the other day.
Damn.
Is he on court? Oh, halftime?
Men's really watching Romeo's game live on the web.
Yo, Jordan. Over under 30. Over 30. Over under 30? I'll do a bet for you. How much you want to do?
Nah.
Romeo's game.
Everyone's on it.
Romeo.
Hey. Oh, yeah, caught Romeo.
Amazing. I see some very impressive lap times.
See him.
All right, so we have the top 3 racers on the max.
You're greedy. What's up, bro? That's why I don't watch his games.
Bruh.
That's exactly why I don't watch his games.
Yo. City's pissed.
Guys, if you guys want to check them out, once again, I'm Dr. Q and Speed. I'd like to thank everybody for racing with us.
Time. Post game interview, yo. Don't lose. Yeah, these guys are playing pool. 100 bones on the line. It's crazy, man. Bet his house.
Whose house?
His house. He bet his house now.
Bust down. You been out a lot when I touch down. They was hating on me, now they wanna come around. I'ma pull up on your bitch, bitch, 60 my necklace. My watch got spaghetti. If they want the smoke, then we ready.
Oh, serious. Game started. Okay, game started.
I'm solid your strength, right?
Get a load of this bomb.
He's ugly. Ugly.
Okay, look at Sweetie. Now, Sweetie. Whoa. Yo, he's crying. Yeah. I did. Whoa. Fam, how you... Damn, he got you. Fam, how you gonna pay for dinner and lose 5? Like, what's going on, yo?
Yo, this is the last game.
Last shot.
No way.
Nah.
I don't want.
He lined him up. Bro gave him.
He didn't even stretch, no.
Bro gave him a taper fade. Come on, bro lined him up. Oh nah. Oh nah. Fresh at the barber shop. Oh! Swavy's back in it. Oh my god. Oh! Nah. I can't handle this. This is neck and neck. Oh my god.
That's a neck and neck.
This is too much, man. Oh my god. You heard that? Back and forth.
Shoot!
Might as well.
What? Wait, what?
I would have been on this.
What? Since 1977?
No, he got it!
Oh, no.
Sweet me!
Here's a horrible YouTubers.
Mama, I went back to 1977.
Save you! Yo, get your victory royale, yo! Yeah.
Everybody, this is one of them. Two-tone Maybach, this is 10150. Set the step.
Called K1. Let's go. K1.
We here.
We ready.
Everything my shot.
Oh yeah, we ready. It's my time.
And it's motivate them, baby, come chill. I done told you pussy niggas, this the realest as it gets.
Yeah, my bad. You see it, man? It's finally that day. It's finally that time, yo. Yeah. Literally.
60 minutes, charge $1,500K for a song. I done ran $100, I got a taste for another.
Yo, Sadi fam. Yo. We locked in, yo. You do this up, yo? Awesome, fam. Here we go. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. I gotta get this down. I'm kidding. Let me know what you guys. Let me know who you think's. Let me know who you think's winning the race. I got leads.
Or in the go-karts, I had fun, man.
I'm telling you, I was dusting, man. Got the GoPro for this video. Had to bring all mans back, you know what I mean? K1, went up to go with all mans. Brought all mans to K1, had a great time. Had a great race. Hopefully I won. Hopefully I can take this one home, but let's go ahead and see. Yeah. It's score time. You know I won. I'm taking home this victory.
Not this one. What's this one right here? What? Wavy. Like, hey, where's the you?
Hey, no way I came.
Fourth?
Swavy fan. I know. Here.
I literally thought I would be first, though. I literally.
Get your talk, I'm the biggest boss. By the jet now, change clothes, not a nose, leave him in a gas.
Sedit analysis.
Now you don't just say it's Sedit analysis. He said according to my Sedit analysis. That's what you gotta say.
Yeah.
Been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no K. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been